Welcome to Tech Horizon with Anand Vemula. If you're planning to become a certified Kubernetes administrator, or CKA, in 2026, this guide is for you. The CKA certification by the Cloud Native Computing Foundation validates your real-world Kubernetes administration skills and remains one of the most valuable certifications in cloud and DevOps. The exam focuses on core areas like cluster architecture, workloads and scheduling, networking, storage, troubleshooting, and security. To prepare effectively, focus on hands-on practice instead of only theory. Work with Kubernetes commands daily. Practice deploying pods, services, ingress, and persistent volumes. Learn troubleshooting using kubectl logs, describe, and cluster debugging techniques. Popular learning platforms include Code Cloud, Killer.sh, and the official Kubernetes documentation. Also remember, the CKA exam is performance-based, meaning you solve real Kubernetes tasks in a live environment. Consistency and practice are the keys to success. If you want more videos on cloud computing, Kubernetes, AI, DevOps, and emerging technologies, you're in the right place. Like, share, and subscribe to Tech Horizon with Anand Vemula.